Aaron at Auffenberg of Carbondale. Today for Feature Card Friday, we're going to do things just a little bit differently. We are going to feature this 2019 Yukon Denali, but we're going to talk about an added feature that we just put in this vehicle, and it's an accessory made by Shop Vac. It's an onboard vacuum for the second and third row and first row seats. It'll reach up there. Something we haven't seen before in a vehicle. It's really cool, so we thought we'd show it to you today. Alright, so I'm in the back of this Yukon. I want to show you the access point of the Shop Vac first. It's super easy to use. If you have had to vacuum your vehicle out before at a car wash, this blows it out of the water. So, show you how to use it. It's contained in here. Pull the hose out. You've also got attachments, several different attachments. This is one. Richard's got the other bag of goodies that goes with it. So you've got some different options there. The hose itself actually pulls out. There's a lot of length here. It'll reach all the way to the back of the vehicle. It'll also reach all the way to the front. Attachments just pop on pretty easy. You've also got a button to turn it on, is right inside here. It's kind of hard to see, but it is right there. Alright, so I want to show you where the actual vacuum unit itself is, where you're going to take it out and clean out the dry materials that you suck up with your new handy Shop Vac. So let me show you where it is. Okay, so the actual unit for the Shop Vac is contained in the center console between you, the driver, and the passenger. So if I open this up, I've got my tray that comes in these Yukons. I pull this up. Inside here is my Shop Vac, the actual vacuum itself, and then the bag that holds all the dry material that you would have sucked up. So if I pull this out, it pulls out really easy. Top here opens. I can take this bag out, throw it away, empty it. I've got extra bags that come with this system. To put it back in after I change the bags, close that up. I need to make sure this is open. This is where the hose goes. This pops, snaps into place there, and then the Shop Vac goes right back in. Put my tray down, and we're good to go. Alright, so that was the new GMC Yukon and Yukon XL Shop Vac. You can get that accessory through our GM parts department here at Auffenberg of Carbondale. If you'd like to see how one works, stop in and take a look at this Yukon. As long as it is available for sale, we'll have one with it installed. If you have any questions on this part, please feel free to call us here at 618-457-3391. You can also check the link in the description to see this part. We look forward to seeing you. Hope all's well. Thanks for watching.